Big difference. Did you do all the mods and rechanges and everything on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I moved it. I think last time you did it, the port was up top.
Yes.
You couldn't see nothing.
Yeah.
So I changed all that.
So what all equipment and your name and everything?
Billy Staples. I got 8 Sundown X12s, 2 DC9Ks, 120 amp hour proto, just one CES 378 externally regulated.
Okay.
What's up, friend?
Hey, man.
How are you? I'll give it to you in a minute.
Alright. Let's take a minute to get going.
What'd you meter out of it?
The best I've got is 62.3.
Really?
Yeah,
Congrats.
burp.
Nice.
Music, I think 159.8.
Okay. What was your goals out of it?
60.
60? Okay.
Yeah, so I did a little bit better than I wanted to.
Okay.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's just been a lot of tinkering. I mean, it's
Yeah.
crazy to where you actually can get gains at. I've gained a dB.5 just rounding over the ports.
That's right, yeah.
And, you know, just a little bit of stuff here and there.
Yes,
but
What is your box tuning spec wise?
the seal part's tuned to 30. I mean,
Okay.
I guess, you know,
Yeah.
being a fourth. But the top's tuned to 46.
Okay. All right.
When she give a nigga head, cause she said that she tryna burn your calories. When she give a nigga head, cause she said that she tryna burn your calories.
Whoa. Dude, that's musical bandwidth too.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
What is it bandwidth wise? Does it like?
I think in the mid, probably 50s, the highest it'll peak out. And when you get below probably 25,
Okay.
you just lose a lot of the volume and air movement.
Yeah.
So
Wow. Man, my back itches. That's a back itcher. Yeah. Thank you for the demo, man. Yes, sir. That was great. What was your name?
Billy Staples.
Billy Staples. All right. Appreciate it, man. I'll give you a handshake, but you know how it is. Yes, sir. You have a good day, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Your amp's in the back, right? The amp's in the back?
Yeah.
bass heads tapping, booties clap. It's DJ Rusticles.
Oh.
What you give a nigga head? Can she say that she trying a bunch of calories? Can she say that she trying a bunch of calories?
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video with a thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the video tomorrow.